Hi, I'm Chloe, I'm otherwise known as Lady Wright, and I'm an award-winning beauty blogger. Today I'm going to talk to you about a new beauty discovery for me. It's the Tria Hair Removal Laser 4X. Now, you may not know that most at-home devices for hair removal are IPL. However, the Tria is a laser, the same quality of laser that you will get in a salon. Now, I recently went into my local salon to be quoted for hair removal treatments, and it was quite a lot of money. The Tria gives the same professional results, but from the comfort of your own home, so it's a little bit of an affordable luxury treatment you can get for yourself. Now, you may be wondering what hair type you can use it on. You can use it on any hair colour from dark blonde right through to black. Naturally, believe it or not, I'm a brunette, so this works absolutely perfectly for me. And it can be used anywhere on your body that you notice hair, so you can use it on your legs, your underarms, your face, and also your bikini line. I use it on all four, and I absolutely love it. I've been using it for a little while now, and I absolutely love that it gives me that super smooth feeling, and it's allowed me to eliminate using my razor every single day. It's also just that little bit more eco-friendly. I'm absolutely thrilled with the results. It's a huge thumbs up from me.